Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're kind, you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up life's to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of
Aries, Kaylee, and of course, to her proudly parents, Mrs. Julian Louida and Sir Eric Vertidas. Ang mga baklas, please. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Talaga. Sumuko ko mga ako na. Most na nagawa ko. Anyways, may request for everyone. Dito kita atubang na lang. Bless us, O Lord, for this thy day. We serve out your saints and above you through Christ our Lord. Kamusta ito? Nakakasmit eh. Sumaksa siya step by step. Kasi ako ka na trabaho, hapawi.
Happy birthday, little star, it's your day. Songs and cheers, we shout hooray, hooray. Around the sun, you've come so far, so far. Your smile lights up the world today, today, today. Presents wrapped in love and shiny bows. Surprises waiting, everyone knows. Make a wish now, let your dreams all grow. Blow the candles out with the puff and go. Jump and dance and spin around and round. To the beat of joy, the sweetest sound. Let your heart soar up where love is found.
How about you? Do you understand what I? No? Hindi lang. Bang din may Spanish ano? Tutong lang ako English. Oo. Ang high school lang kami ni Julian ano, nagkukan mo kami nanginilot, di kami nasuludan ko English.
Birthday party and our baby, Aries Vertidas. And thank you po for coming and for celebrating with us today. Maurag lang ang panahon, pero maupay magre-ratio lang gihapon kita. Kawan na po maupay may dapat mga food nga di, pwede nga rin mag-food photo booth, nga na kids, pwede nga rin magpila popcorn, hot candy and hotdog cart. Thank you po for coming. And happy birthday, baby Aries. Aries Kitty, happy birthday. Nothing the moon. Yung baby raw na.
Diri, balik mo na meron ng applause to Sir Eric Vertidas. Damo sa naman ang pagdala. Happy birthday, anak na Eric Kitty. Damo masarap ang pagdala. Ako na sir. Oh, maripasan na ako yung mga day of course our baby celebrant. Baby Princess Aries. Ezekiel, how old are you? 4. Okay, how about you? What is your name? How old are you? Your siblings. Are you brother and sister? Basta magbugto ang muna ito. How about you? What is your name? Hindi na ba yung pray? Oh, hindi nila stand. What is your name? Jerry, how old are you? 9. 2. Jasper, how old are you, Jasper? 11. How about you, Kuya? What? Sidhart. Wow, bongga. Who is your mother? Hello, Sidhart. Di mo nakuha niya ang mother. Didahan Sidhart. How old are you? Manay. Isa na yung birthday. Alam mo, birthday na. Tulog kita haira. Hi, everyone. Ma-birthday na May 15. Tulog kita haira. From where are you? North Hill. Canada ni Watinin. Ano ba yung kaharayo? How about you? Lester, how old are you? 12. Sorry. But na. Ating mulay. Pinauto kay. Do you know the game Happy Birthday? So ganito? Pihinala ba ay ang tawagin in English, long. Makuha ko lang English, come here. Oo. Do you know to say happy birthday in a long way? Like happy birthday. Do you know the, you're cute. Sample. Long. Oh, 1 second. It's okay. Alita na natin. Do you know the game Happy Birthday? Okay, sample. Halaba. Ang English na halaba? More long. Like, example, happy birthday. Patay. So na, inoto. Like that, ha? Okay, ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Ay, 3 seconds lang. It's okay. Okay, sige, sit down na, Nay. Sit down. Halika na mga kuya na Ellen. What is your name again? Are you mad? Why is it that you're hungry? Did you eat cupcake or you want sweets? Nag-iisip talaga iya ako. Sige, do you know happy birthday? Sige, sample.
Happy birthday.
Sample lang ha. Okay, ready? Oto. Inhale. Tanong. Inhale. Buwas na exhale. Inhale, exhale. Ready ha? In 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday.
Okay, 10 seconds. A round of applause, please. At least, sige, sit down. 10 seconds ka, kuya. Come here. Hindi rin ang puti Wow! Kaya si Dahart ang ginaranay mo. Do you know why? Kaya ano si Dahart? Maupay kung kaya no. Bunggaw talaga ng mga bata. Anyways, are you ready?
Yes.
Go ready in 3. Nagpasitiya 15 seconds ha. Dapat ikaw makalakwas ka. Pag ready ka mo ha. Ready in 3, 2, 1.
Happy birthday!
Alright, 24 seconds! Wow! Iba talaga mautok ka ano? Tinugduhan ko din yung mama. Kasi nga, may naman tumuloy na happy birthday. Pro-practice kita bago kita lumakas. Ma-birthday ka na ha. Nakato kami ha. May 15. This coming May 15. Sabi na 8. 8 yan ha? 6. 6 yan ha. Martes? Martes ba yan ha? Dinilog mo rumit o long. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Monday. O di daw. Diri harong maamay. Kaya mga malagpas sa dito 24 seconds. Di ka maharap ako, maharap ako.
Sure naman.
Kaya mo ito, ano to? Sige, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Ready ha? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
Oh, 19 seconds! You may not take your seat. Wala lagi hapon nakakakuha ng birthday siya. Hello, Bibi. Bibi, makalit kumanta. Later on, kakanta inihiya ano. Let us hear a song coming from this baby girl. Makalit inihiya na kanta. Saksi ako inihiya. What is your name again? Angel. Why accent niya? Angel. Wow. I'm Devil. Malino Angel, how old are you? 8. Oh. Kaya mo malagpasan ni Tia 24 seconds? Karang happy birthday? Wow! English! Maybe? Oh, gusto ko talaga yung mother. Ready ha? Ready? Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
More 29 seconds! Congratulations! Oh, kay sis, harani man nila, duha ka mo yan at magdalo. Come here, nanay, dali. Nalagpasan ka iya ko, imo 24, kulang ka pa ng 5. Sige daw, kaya mo malagpasan pa? Try lang, pero daw na ka muna duha. Oo, sige daw, try lang ha. 29 seconds, dapat maka 40 seconds ka ha. Kaya mo? Ay, ma, birthday ka na, kailangan sobra. Oo. Ready? Oto. Oh, ikaw sa tangin. Wala ba utot ha? Ready? In 3, 2, 1, go!
Happy birthday!
Wow, 30 seconds! Sala, para baka natin mga players for today. Pwede ba niya mga sinisiring consultation? Ano ito po? Consolation. Sorry, overwhelmed yung consolation. Consultation. Oh, may naman yung consolation? Consolation? Mga consolation, like candies. Candies. Oo. Waray? May ada? Tagi ako din mausa. Ako lang mga tagayara na din. Mausa lang. Sige pa. Mapanda ka na pala ito na. Consolation. Next. Sino ba itong bowling? Sobrang. Wow! Diri harong ako talaga kami, friend. Mel, Millionita.
Hello, maupay nga. Kulong na. Ato niya tanan. Maupay nga kulong ng mga akuan. Bisita, nagpapasalamat yan kami nga na nakanika mo umatindihan kami di SK first birthday. Dang masalamat, ganyan, magyan pa na ako mga tag-anak. Ayo,
baby. This, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Wow, ha, put awan! Wow, ha! Next! Rito yun! Ipala to ha, ng video, alayon.
Biar teman biar honor. Biar
Happy birthday to you. In this groove, dreams will come true. With every step, we're writing a new story. In this symphony of life, you're the glory. So here's to you on your special day. May happiness and joy always come your way. With music as our guide, we'll dance into the night. Happy birthday, dear friend. Let's keep shining bright. Happy birthday to you. In this groove, dreams will
nila ako din. Apo, inin may kugadit siya para batit mga tao tanan na ikaw, apo ko. Ita ako na nga ito kay mga halabang nga kinabuhi, ang ito sa kapayag ay bangad law para magmalipayong kita na kanila. Inin Iris. Oh, Iris. Ito, Iris.
Ginay.
Mensahe, sabi.
Mensahe lang, mensahe.
Akon kuan takapo magmaupay light iya panlawas maupay lahiya ha eskwelahan mabuotan dati pagdako ngan makahuman iya pag eskwela amo lang